6 divided by 1/3 times 3. Looks simple at first glance, right? And this is exactly where many people go wrong. They see 6 divided by 1/3 times 3 and think, easy, I'll clear the fraction first. So they multiply 1/3 by 3, the 3's cancel, leaving 1. Now they're left with 6 divided by 1, which gives 6. And that answer is wrong. Not because the math is difficult, but because the order of operations was ignored. So let's put PEMDAS back in the spotlight. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But here's the part people overlook. Multiplication and division are equals. Both the operations share same priority. And when they appear together, you don't choose what looks easier. You move strictly left to right. Same rule applies to addition and subtraction. In this problem, we only have multiplication and division. They are equal in rank. And notice this carefully. Division comes first. Doing multiplication before division here gives the wrong result. So we follow the expression exactly as written. Start from the left. 6 divided by 1/3. And dividing by a fraction. Time for the classic KCF rule. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first number. 6. Change division to multiplication. Flip the fraction. 1/3 becomes 3/1. And don't forget, there's still a times 3 at the end. So now the full expression becomes 6 times 3 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. And 18 times 3 is 54. That's the correct answer. 54, not 6.